Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. This week we are discussing about the concrete paving work. Projects include the removal of old asphalt. For this one we have used the asphalt breaker. Using the asphalt breaker we have break all the asphalt, and using a dump truck we have carried all the waste to the municipality approved dumping yard. So during this removal, we put extra care for not damaging the existing subgrade. Anyhow, we have compacted the existing subgrade to the required compaction. Then after that one, we laid the polythene sheet in that area as a vapor barrier. Here we have used double layer reinforcement, because there is heavy loads are coming. So according to your requirement we can design this reinforcement. Here 2 layers of reinforcement we have used. It is separated with the spacers and steel chairs. During the concreting we have used the mechanical travelling for the finishing, and the concrete level is towards the existing drainage. So this way we have concreted this area, and after the proper curing we open that area for the traffic. So all the details for this concreting works you can see in the trailing videos. So this is all about these projects. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.